guys, it's Tuesday and this is Cool Tool Tuesday. Today we're talking about the Tight Brush from Titebond. Are you sick of crunchy little glue brushes sitting around your workshop and getting your hopes up when you grab it and it's just rock hard? This thing will fix your problems. This thing is fantastic. It's cheap, it's effective, it should be in everyone's workshop. Rather than having your normal paint brushes that you'll glue all your things up and leave just for a few more seconds out than you should have, and it crunches up, glues up and goes gummy, and then pretty much it's good for the bin. These guys are made of silicone. One of the benefits for them being silicone is you can let the glue dry directly on the brush. When the glue gets on it, you let it dry and you peel it off in one big bit and all your bristles are clear and ready to go for next time. It even says on the instructions that the way to use it is when you're finished gluing, put it down, let it dry, peel it off later, which suits me fantastically. You'll see it also has this little paddle end, which is great for getting into small mortises and tenons and helping spread glue into those hard to reach areas. For more information on the Tight Brush and all the other Titebond products we have here at Timbecon, click on the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.